Thank you to Anna Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I should probably go. Friday. I'm exhausted. It's the first day. Good morning. I decided I don't like my lunch, so I'm gonna make a new one really fast. Where's my fork? I need to pack that. Oh wait, no, I need to flip it. Next is my backpack, notebook. I don't know if I want to bring my laptop. It's the first day, so it's short today. Do I want my laptop? I guess. I could respond to some emails right now. I could be eating breakfast right now too. Look at the clouds. Am I doing too much for September? Maybe, but we love to see a challenge and for me to struggle. We love challenges. Am I gonna regret this? Maybe, but also maybe not. Okay. Do you guys like? I got it as a Secret Santa gift. I have 5 minutes. I should probably go. Okay, I'll froth for 1 minute and then go. Okay, I need to hurry. Hurry, Mel, hurry. Bye. There's a bee following me. Sir. I am pooped. The colors turned out good. Look at the back. This is my now, Jean. Good morning. It is August 25, 7:32, and I am gonna make some coffee with you guys. I opened it up because I got way too excited. So we have one fin, which is the filter. I am gonna wing it. And we have the coffee, strong and smooth, 50-50 Robusta and Arabica. Tasting notes, cacao, pomelo, almond, and smoked caramel. So these coffee beans, they're grown in Vietnam but roasted in Brooklyn. Isn't that cool? The design's so pretty. Our mission is to increase the visibility of Vietnamese coffee and promote social and cultural and economic sustainability, which we love. Another fun fact, Nguyen Coffee Supply was founded by a first-generation Vietnamese American woman. Amazing. In another life, I would probably be doing something in the coffee business. Okay, we're gonna make this look as nice as possible. And I'm gonna do a twist. Instead of condensed milk, I'm gonna try out vanilla ice cream. And if that fails, we'll do condensed milk. Okay, let's begin. I'll probably put this in the fridge and have it cool for a bit. Taste test. Mmm. It is really strong, but it's so good. I definitely taste like a smokiness and the cacao. Oh, it's so good though. It tastes fresh, that's what I can say. It's not like when you go to Starbucks or something and it tastes packaged. This tastes very fresh. If you want to give it a try, I will have a 10% discount code down below. Thank you. I have to resist drinking this because I want it cold. It's finally Thursday. I'm so glad. It's finally Friday. I am gonna get wired up in class today. Okay, see ya in a bit.
Yeah, so the results of the blood work look good. So you're okay to continue with like the use of the Rimadyl. There's no contractors. And it's based on age as well. Sometimes it takes a while. It really just depends on where the cut is. No problem. Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye. Okay, because when I left, Oreo was actually doing, I mean, he wasn't doing phenomenal, but he was doing better than before. And now, based on what I've seen, he'll be a little more active at the beginning of the walk. And the walk is only for a few minutes, but by the end of the walk, he's like really slow. But we got a refill on his meds, and hopefully that will work. Fingers. I don't really like crossing, but let's just hope. It is Saturday, August 28th, 1:34. I'm trying to get through a lot of things. I'm exhausted. We're gonna figure out a way. Okay, goodbye.
The best phone number I have for you is...
The dog mom in me is never ending. Apparently yesterday, my mom said Oreo was scratching the lump on his neck, and she said it started leaking. I don't even know how, because it's like, it seemed like it was in there, unless he's been scratching it for a really long time, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if we need to schedule a visit for him. So I was freaking out last night, but she was like, he's fine. And I was like, are you sure? So I looked it up on Google. So maybe it wasn't a lymph node. Maybe it was a cyst, because apparently cysts can erupt, but we're just waiting for a call now. So hopefully he's okay. I'm gonna try to read my own blood pressure. No! No! Oh, my blood pressure's dying. Wait, oh, I hear it, I hear it. What? Oh, my battery, no! The packaging is so cute. These are so cute. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, they're matching. Cute. Ah, cute. This one's a necklace. Ah, it's so pretty. I could put this one on right now. Yesterday I tried taking my own blood pressure, but I think I got way too into it and I didn't realize like how big of a strain I was doing. So now I have a battle scar from taking my blood pressure. I can't see. So if you don't know, this necklace is my grandma's ring, so I keep it on forever. So that's why you don't really see me change necklaces. No, I didn't get it. I got it. It's so cute. How do I show you? I just got home from school. I'm not going anywhere else, but at least I feel nice. Thanks, Luisa. If you're looking for very cute, dainty jewelry, check them out. I'll have them linked below and a coupon for 10% off. They always have sales too, so look forward to that. Oh, let me show you two pieces. There's two pieces that I have from them that I actually bought a few months ago, just to show how much I love them. So I bought from the Michelle collection way back when. I have this anklet and I have these, the Michelle earrings that everyone has probably seen. Okay, I think I've talked enough about jewelry stores. I've talked enough about jewelry. Now I can feel pretty while studying. Oh, where did I go? Am I here? Okay, I'm here. I lost myself for a second. I need to fix these earphones. But while I'm fixing these, let me just tell you. Blue Yeti. I left that back at home because it weighs like 10 pounds and I was like, my suitcase is already overweight without this Blue Yeti. So it's currently back at home, so I probably won't have it for a while. So maybe I should buy one of those like super tiny mics, but then again, I don't really have time to record stuff right now. It's actually September 13 right now, and I'm almost done with this video, and it turned out a lot shorter than I thought, but that's okay because I would not be okay if it was super long. I have a lot of footage, I think, for the next upcoming video, but I don't know when I'll be able to get to that. So I'm recording this little update. It's been it's officially 3 weeks since my first week of school, which is kind of wild because the first week I was like, time is passing by so slow. How am I going to get through this? But PA school is wild. I can't even put it into words, but it's like non-stop. I will wake up at 6, get to school around 7:30 or so. It's honestly class after class, and I don't think I've ever experienced anything like this before to this level. Oh, I just realized my AC's on, so you could probably hear that. Oh, how do I put this into words? Like, if you're a science major, your core classes are going to be stuff like bio or chem or like OChem. It feels like I'm losing my words. All of my classes feel like core classes right now, and I am trying to figure out a way to study, but honestly, I have no answers. I've literally handwritten all my notes, this is from 3 weeks. It's like maybe 13 lectures or something. Our first test was actually dermatology and ENT, and in the middle of that, we started learning for our next test, which will be rheumatology and endocrine. I've never had lectures overlap by like a week. Usually, you'll do all the lectures, maybe do one lecture that will be on the next test. But in this case, we did like 5 or 6 lectures that will be on the next test before we even took our first test. So I'm trying to calm myself down, but I just want to say it's definitely possible, but it's definitely not possible with a job, which is why I'm really glad I have this. I'm glad for like this whole community where I'm just able to be flexible, even though I know I can't produce at what I was producing before. It's really nice to just have like this little tiny space where I could somewhat make a tiny bit of an income while I'm on this struggle bus. So I just want to say thank you, and I'm sorry that I can't produce videos at the amount that I was before, but I'm honestly gonna try to like squeeze in at least 1 hour of editing time every week or so, because this was like the first time I edited in like 2 weeks, and honestly I miss it a lot, but in the back of my mind I feel really guilty because I'm not studying and there's so much I'm constantly behind. I don't think it's possible for anyone to really be ahead. But anyways, that's my update. And lastly, I wanted to say thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. These pieces are like, these give me life. I have not taken them off since getting them. There's the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings. It's like they remind me of what you guys have given me. It's like a present. Thank you for this present. You guys are awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop now so I can finish this video. I want to say hopefully see you soon, but I honestly don't know. But I want to say hopefully. Have a very good day or night, or have a good September. Bye!